Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making bulgogi beef. So first we want to start out with the marinade. So we want to take some onion, red onion, and some green onion. And we want to take 2 cloves of garlic and a couple of tablespoons of white sugar and brown sugar. And I think for the brown sugar, I put like a half a tablespoon. And then we want to do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'll show you which soy sauce I use, which is like really good. I'm gonna get all of that. And this is the soy sauce that I use. This is the brand. And I got it from the Asian store here. And then we wanna do 3 tablespoons of water. And this is, I believe this is like 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Get all that in there. And then I have a tablespoon, might be a tablespoon and a half of sesame oil. And then last but not least, some honey. And we'll do maybe, I don't know, a tablespoon or so of honey. And this honey has a Bible scripture on it. And it says, "Thy word is sweeter than honey." Psalms 119 and 103. Thought that was pretty neat. All right. So we're going to take all of this and we're going to blend it. I'll move it a little closer so you can see. All right, now we're going to blend it up. All right, it smells good. Okay, and we take this, set it over here, and take this out. And then we're gonna take our beef, and we're going to pour the marinade on our beef. For the beef, I already put like meat tenderizer, a little bit of salt and pepper on the beef after I rinsed it off. So that's already on there. And you're gonna make sure I get all of it out of there as much as you can. Then stir it in here. And then what I'll probably do before I stick it in the refrigerator is cut up some green onion and put it in here also. Just cut it up and put it in here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.